Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Friday, and it is the afternoon. It's after lunch, and I really have not been able to do much shop work today. I've had some errands to run, and so I just now got to the shop. I'm going to respond to emails and offers, and I know that we have a few packages to do up. So let's get to it. Alright, we're going to start the day off with a couple of loose Funko Pops. There's one, there's two. Alright, we'll begin with Ebony Maw. He was one of Thanos' guys. I believe this is from Avengers Infinity War. Could be from Endgame. We're going to ship him in an 864 box. Need a sheet of bubble wrap that we'll cut in half. We'll wrap him on up. Ebony Maw sold for $3.15 plus shipping, and he's been listed since September the 4th of last year, 2020, and will ship at the 8-ounce rate. Alright, now our next one is Wade Wilson, Weapon 11 XI, from the Wolverine Origins movie. And he's also loose, going in an 864 box. Alright, there again, we need another sheet of bubble wrap we'll cut in half. And both these loose pops were from the same collection. Rolling one up. There we go. And Wade Wilson here sold for $8.50 plus shipping. And he was listed September the 2nd of last year, 2020. And will also ship at the 8-ounce rate. Alright, now we have a postcard. It is a real photo postcard of a logging museum in Rhinelander, Wisconsin. It has not been postmarked. We're going to ship it in an 864 box. We'll put it in a postcard mailer. Let's get the box. We'll need half a sheet of bubble wrap. There we go. Now we'll just set it right there and we tuck, fold, and tape. And this postcard, I just sent a best offer out. I think I took 18% off. And it sold for $12.46 plus shipping. And has been listed since April the 11th of 2019. And will ship at the 4-ounce rate. Now we have a model kit. Making sure it didn't have a delivery. It's going to get a little bit dark on you in here. Let's see, this is a part of the collection that was in really rough shape, but this one was actually in nice shape. Doesn't rattle around, so we don't need to worry about that. Alright, there you go. 1960 Pontiac Bonneville convertible, and it's made by Trumpeter. And that Trumpeter seems to be a pretty good name brand. Let me see if I have any other. No, I don't have any more this size. Because I'm thinking we're going to build a box. Put 2 priority boxes together. Yep, that'll work. But yeah, this was actually in pretty nice shape compared to all the other model kits from that really terrible collection. Alright. I like to fold the sides in a bit. Now we'll get another. Oh, hold on a sec. I gotta reload boxes. I thought those were extras. Okay, so now all we gotta do is figure out how much extra box we need. And like I said, it's not a ton. There we go. And I'll put this extra down here for the next time I need to do this. Sometimes it is easier to put this on before you go ahead and put the top together. Other times, I'm not so sure it is. Alright, we'll do it like that. I think that'll work just fine. And these are priority mail 1095 boxes that I'm putting together. And it, even with the extra part, it's not too big where it'll be that real big charge for priority mail. This still ships at the regular price. Alright, and then I do one side where I do the whole way down. Alright, this model kit, I accepted a best offer this morning of $46 plus shipping. It's been listed since June the 22nd of this year, 2021, and it will ship at the 2-pound rate. And I might have forgot to mention, this model kit had been opened. The contents looked new and sealed, but the box itself had been opened. Okay, now we have one of the role-playing books. Oh, that one right there. It is Cars, a fully populated cross-reference fantasy city made by Chaosism. I'm going to put that into a magazine bag. There's a nicer presentation and does protect it. Get that lip folded over. That's the tough part. You can do it like this to where it looks nicer, but it will have just a tiny bit of room to move around in. We're going to use a sturdier, thicker folding box on this. And we'll need to use the magazine template board to get the folds. Now we do it basically like a comic book. We'll tape it in place so it doesn't move around. And always check, make sure you're not pinching the corners or bending them up or anything like that. And we are not. In this book, I just accepted a best offer on it right after lunch. And they paid, so we're getting it out nice and quick. This sold for $40 plus shipping, media mail shipping. And it has been listed since March the 30th of this year, 2021. And it will ship at the 15-ounce rate. And now we have one of those die-cast Larry Morgan cars. Let's see. Okay, right here they are. I got at least one more. I might have another, but I got at least one more, and so I'll just relist. I'll get in the packing room and I'll show you better. Alright, 1/64 scale, made by Racing Action. It comes in a plastic protector holder, but the plastic protector is yellowed. And this car was limited out of 9,000. And I think I had about 15 of them when I started. But it looks like I'm down to the last one. So I will sell similar and get that last one listed. We'll need to get a sheet of bubble wrap, cut it in half. And then we just lay the car down in there. And what I do is I roll this one all the way up. You tuck in those loose edges like normal. But then I put it on the flat part away from the car. But that is tight enough and it'll hold it nice and secure in place. And this Larry Morgan die-cast car sold for $8.99 plus shipping. And it has been listed since June the 9th of this year, 2021. And will ship at the 8-ounce rate. Okay, now we have this 86 Topps Traded baseball set. I believe this is the Barry Bonds rookie. That will ship in an 864 box. And this is the last Topps Traded set that I had from that sports card comic book collection that I bought about a month ago. I do need to add that up and see if I'm out of that yet or not. We'll need half a sheet of bubble wrap. And we'll wrap this up and tape it. Put this one here. And we'll put this in the center. And now we'll need packing peanuts to go all around it. We're going to fold these corners up. You can probably go ahead and tape those if you wanted to. But this is how I ship the small card sets. I guess anything under about 200 cards can go like this. Need a couple right here just to give a little support. Alright, there we go. Alright, the 86 Tops Traded set sold for $38.75 plus shipping. It's been listed since June the 10th of this year, 2021, and will ship at the 12-ounce rate. Alright, now we have a model kit. So we're going to ship it in a priority mail shoebox. Let's go ahead and tape this on up. And we'll need a sheet of bubble wrap that we'll cut in half. There we go. And we fold this in half twice and set it down at the bottom. And now we'll need a sheet of bubble wrap to actually roll the model kit up in. And let's go get the model kit. And we have another model kit to ship out today, so we'll go ahead and grab it as well while we're back here. Let me turn the light on because I'm not sure I can find one of them without the light. I know it's still dark for you, but it helps me. Alright, right there we go. I have the two, and then this is the one that will ship out here in just a bit. I'll give you a better view in the packing room. Alright, this is the one we'll ship in a moment. This is the one we're going to ship now. 1965 Lincoln Continental. It is the Retro Deluxe. There's some dust on it, so I'll wipe that off. It is new and sealed. We're going to wrap it up in this sheet of bubble wrap here. And I have another one that's currently listed. I had a quantity of 2. This is the first one to sell. We fold this one and roll it and place it on the top, and that prevents any movement on the top. Okay, and this model kit sold for $23.75 plus shipping, and it has been listed since April the 11th of last year, 2020, and it'll ship at the pound 15-ounce rate. Okay, now we'll do this other model kit we pulled. Little Coffin Show Rod. And it does come with the little skeleton. But as you can see, this box, there again, is in terrible shape. But looks like it's there. I checked the body. It's not cracked or broken. I've already done up a priority mail shoebox. So let's get a sheet of bubble wrap and cut it in half. And this model kit's made by Monogram. Now we'll get a sheet to wrap the model kit up in. And with these loose ones here in terrible shape, I've been trying to wrap them pretty daggone tight with the bubble wrap to hopefully, so there's no wiggle room. Down in there, and then with this one we fold it in half and roll it, and it fits in there so it doesn't move around. Like I said, I think I've sold almost all the model kits, even the ones here in this real bad shape. I've sold, I bet you, 75% of them already. This model kit sold for $40.25 plus shipping. And it was listed on June the 22nd of this year, 2021. And it will ship at the 15-ounce rate. Now we have a little die-cast car. We'll put it in a 864 box. I'm pretty sure. I haven't seen it yet. There we go. sheet of bubble wrap, cut it in half. Alright, get this out of our way. I gotta put these 16-12-8 boxes up. Oh, right here it is. I didn't even need to move that. It's made by M2, and it says it's a Walmart exclusive. And this is a 1970 Nissan Fairlady Z432. Pretty solid in there. So I'm gonna just take and wrap it up. Well, let me get this bubble wrap the correct way. There we go. And this didn't sell for a whole lot. I think this is another 18% off or a cent. And this is from the guy that I get his basically his Amazon rejects. But this sold for $3.98 plus shipping. And it's been listed since January the 14th of last year, 2020. And will ship at the 8-ounce rate. Alright, now we have a Funko Pop. It's not over here. It's one that is in the box. That's it. Here we go. This is from the Spider-Man Homecoming movie. Number 221. Spider-Man Hot Topic exclusive. So he's unmasked. I do put box defects. Shipping it in an 864 box. And this is the one yesterday where I sold like 4 pops in 10 minutes and was waiting on payment for one. This one is it, so they all paid. And this pop sold for $10 plus shipping. It's been listed since June the 22nd of this year, 2021, and it will ship at the 8-ounce rate. Okay, now we have another loose Funko Pop back here. There he is. It is Hank Pym from Ant-Man. It might be Ant-Man and the Wasp. I'm not too sure. We'll put him in an 864 box. Need to get a sheet of bubble wrap and cut it in half. Wrap him up in half. There we go. And Hank Pym sold for $3.75 plus shipping. And he has been listed since September the 1st of last year, 2020. And he'll ship at the 8-ounce rate. Alright, that is going to do it for me today. This afternoon has been slow. I do have a couple of good sales, but no one's paid yet. But this is July 4th weekend, the start of it. And typically this is a slow weekend. But tomorrow I'm going to go looking at houses. And then Sunday I'll be back and we'll do more packages. I hope you have a good night and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.